I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account is active and the plan supports cellular data. Once done, power off the phone and remove the SIM to check for dirt or bends, reseat it or swap with a known good SIM to isolate hardware. Make sure to toggle airplane mode on then off and restart the device to prompt a fresh network search. These steps rule out billing or simple hardware seeding issues before deeper troubleshooting. Now focus on software. Go to network settings and try manual operator selection. Sometimes auto fails and choosing the carrier forces a reconnection. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs and re-enter APN values exactly as the carrier specifies. Also check for system or carrier profile updates because outdated profiles prevent authentication. Once you perform these actions, your phone gets fresh parameters from the carrier and often restores full service. Finally, escalate. Use the carrier app or call support to force a SIM reprovision or network refresh from their backend. This resolves many registration failures. Make sure to test the SIM in another phone and check service in a different location to distinguish device failure from tower issues. If problems persist, restore the device from a recent backup or ask for a SIM replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent service continues, request a network trace from your carrier to pinpoint the tower or routing fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.